Come, today I got a 3-bedroom at the Parc Life to show you. Come follow me. This is a 3-bedroom with utility layout. Come, let me show you the living area and the dining area. Okay, as you can see, this whole area here is very spacious. Okay, and the thing that actually caught my attention was this swimming pool just beneath the balcony. Alright, we are at a level that we can actually enjoy the pool view just beneath us. Okay, this is the leisure one, and the other side is the lap pool, okay, for serious swimmers. Okay, come, let me show you the bedrooms. Alright, this first bedroom on your left, okay, you can go in and have a look. Okay, we can actually comfortably put in a queen size bed, but for this owner, they have it as a 2 stack up beds. Alright, so the view out there is the same as the living area, so very nice. And you can see for this bedroom, okay, is full height wardrobe. Okay, comes with the Star Max inverter, aircon on top, and even the ceiling fan. Alright, okay, the other bedroom, okay, which is their girls room. Okay, double decker beds. Okay, same facing. Okay, very nice pool facing, quiet. Okay, let me show you the common bathroom. Okay, you can go in and have a look. Okay, very well maintained. Okay, wall hung WC. Alright, okay, come follow me to the master room. Okay, for the master, you can put in a good, this is a queen size, okay, you can put even a king size, no problem. Same facing, okay, which is facing the pool. Okay, very quiet, look at the greeneries outside. And if you look at the greens, the leaves are all moving. You can see that there's actually a very good ventilation, okay, out there. Okay, come over here, you can see this is the master bath. Very spacious master bath, okay. You can have a look. Yeah, go in and have a look. Yeah. Alright, in a very good condition. Okay, come follow me to the kitchen. Okay, this is a very good layout kitchen. So there's the left and the right side. Alright, so there's also an open glass panel over here, whereby you can look at your guests or your children when they are playing and where you're preparing your meals. Okay, and as you enter, you can see there's this utility room, okay, over here for your storage, or for your, if you have a maid, you want it to convert it to a maid's room, no issues. Alright, there's also a WC just right beside. Okay, and maybe you have a look at the utility again. There's actually a window inside. So if you have a helper using this as a room, there is actually very good ventilation. Okay, not enclosed. Okay, so if you like to see this unit physically, okay, do leave a comment or PM me directly. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.